Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to get a bunch more ManyChat comments. In case you don't know, ManyChat is how I make a ton of money with Instagram. People will comment a specific word. You might have seen like an influencer do it where they're like, comment link if you want to get the link to my outfit. They're using ManyChat and we're all making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month with it. I share income proof in another video. I'm just going to turn my notifications off. I share income proof in another video that I'll link to either up here or up here. There's so much money to be made with ManyChat. And a lot of you know that, but you're not getting ManyChat comments. You've got the automation set up and you're making content, but the problem is nobody's actually commenting on your stuff, or you're getting very few ManyChat comments. And so what I want to do very specifically in this video is teach you some like 5 specific things you can do to get more comments. I have my notes somewhere. I'm just trying to grab them. Here we go. In case you don't know me, my name is Maria Wendt. I've made over $6 million selling digital courses. I'm the real deal. I share everything very transparently. A lot of you guys do know me and you love my stuff, and we're all stoked to be here. So I'm going to go right into it. I'm going to plug my phone in because I'm going to show you a couple of these. I feel like I'm a visual learner. I like to see things. So let me just get this set up. Guys, the thing is, if you aren't making a bunch of money yet on Instagram, you really should be. Like, I just want to impress upon you how possible this is. And so I'm very, very excited to be showing this to you because for me, ManyChat, like I said, allowed me to make $300,000 a month. That has been completely life-changing for my family. And now I want to show you guys how to do the same. So the first way that you're going to get more ManyChat comments is you're going to rename your original audio files. I'm going to show you what that means because you might be confused. We're going to go to my Instagram and then we'll go into my drafts, and I want to show you an example. Okay, so let's see. This one here is going to be a talking head. And then do you see down here we have the option to rename audio? Now you might know how to do commenting the keywords, right? Where it'll be like comment guide to get my free guide. Okay. Then you click done and save draft, right? So I'm not going to save draft because I don't want to. You can only rename the audio once, and I don't actually want to do it there. So I'm going to click cancel. So I don't want to change it there, but I want to show you what it'll actually look like. This is my reel from earlier today. You can see here down on the very bottom, it says comment training down below, and it's kind of slowly scaling through. As you do that, you'll get more and more people commenting. So comment training down below. That's the first way, is to actually rename your original audio. Now this only works if you're doing like I said, original audios. If you're doing trending audios, like let me show you a reel with a trending audio. This reel has a trending audio. And so the name of the, hopefully it's not like really loud. The name of the actual trending audio is going to show up and you can't change that. But for your own original audios, you can, and I recommend you do that. Okay, so the second thing that I want you to stop doing is stop bearing your call to action in a paragraph. Or what other people do is to say comment the keyword or DM the keyword. People do that because they're worried about being rejected. So they're worried that if I say comment keyword to get the, comment learn more to get more information, for example, and nobody comments, they're worried they're going to be embarrassed. They're worried that it will look kind of lame, but actually it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy where because you're kind of hiding it, you're beating around the bush with your call to action, because you're worried about not getting comments, you actually end up not getting comments because of that. So what I recommend to my students to do is for 2 weeks, you're going to publish a reel every single day. And the only thing that is going to be in your call to action is in your caption is the call to action. So I think this one is a good example of that. So like, that's it. Do you see how it's literally just comment Insta down below if you want me to show you how, and then they comment down below, just ignore the glitching. That is what I want you to do for 2 weeks. I want you to do it that way. Let me just go back here so I can just get that going. Third thing is don't choose a weird keyword. Don't choose a keyword that's hard to spell. Don't choose 2 words for your keyword. Have it literally be, directly related to the result that you're going to give them. So if you help people have better marriages, have them comment the word love, have them comment the word marriage, have them comment the word, like, even I wouldn't even do like intimacy because intimacy is easy to misspell. So you want the keywords to be very, very simple, and you want the keywords that they're commenting to be very, very directly related to the thing that you're going to help them get. So I have people, because I help people make passive income on Instagram, I have them comment passive. I have them comment Insta. If I'm linking to a training, I have them comment training. These are the kind of keywords that we want people to be commenting because they're easy to understand. They're directly related to the results that you're going to help them get, and you can't really mess them up. Okay, so along those lines, make sure that it's extremely clear what they're going to be getting when they comment the keyword. So don't have it be something vague like comment, learn more to get details. People are interested in getting details. Details means you're going to pitch me, but they are very interested in getting an XYZ result. Comment Insta if you want me to show you how I make money on Instagram, right? I made $1 million this quarter on Instagram. I literally can't even believe it as the words come out of my mouth, but I did. And that's something people want to know how I do. And so I say, comment Insta if you want me to show you how I make money on Instagram. That's a very clear, compelling call to action versus comment, learn more to learn more or to get more details. That's just too vague. It's not compelling. It doesn't create any urgency. And is probably a big reason why you're not getting people to comment. Tell them exactly what they're going to get and give them a reason to comment. And then finally, the fifth thing that I want you to try doing is we'll use this example again, but I want you to test putting the call to action, putting the keyword on the reel itself. So here's an example. Comment Insta. So it's literally right here. If we let it loop again, it's literally right here on the reel itself. That works super well because again, people tend to watch a reel, especially if it's a short one, all the way to the end. And you're just giving your call to action, you're giving your ManyChat keyword more exposure. Now, you might be super confused about what any of this is, right? So you might be like, what the heck is a ManyChat comment? How the heck is Maria making $1 million in a quarter from this? This sounds cool, but I don't even know what the hell Maria is talking about. And don't worry, I'll show you. So let me turn on my little, I like to have my little circle face before I share my screen. Okay, so let me show you, okay? So if I go to free training, you're going to go to mariawent.com/free training. This is a training where I actually show you step by step what this is that I'm talking about. So I show you my different passive income streams, how I hit that $1 million quarter, but then probably most important for you are these two things here where I go step by step what you need to do. It's an actual game plan that you can follow step by step. I tell you what to do. And then I also show you how to make this work if you have no followers, no products or skills. So you're starting from complete scratch. This is the free training that you need to start with. I highly recommend it. I also show you how to get it launched in 24 hours. I think it's a really big myth that we have to spend forever doing this. In my opinion, with this new Instagram algorithm change, there's never been a better time to start as a brand new beginner. It used to be like really hard to like push into a new thing, but Instagram kind of made some changes. And so there's literally never been a better time to launch your passive income business. And so I don't want you to dilly dally. I don't want you to take months to do this. Let's just like get this up and running in 24 hours. So if that's something you're interested in, I highly recommend just go to mariawent.com/free training. I will put a link in the description down below, and then you can just enter in your first name here and then enter in your email address there. And I will teach you everything you need to know. Guys, can I just say, let me get back over here. I just want to tell you that Instagram has never been better. I have never made more money. My students have never made more money. There has never been a better time to use something like ManyChat, a free software, to make sales. And it's all for free. Like that's the crazy thing is you can do this for free. So I really hope you feel the urgency that I feel for you guys. I'm established. It doesn't matter to me when you guys start, but if you're interested in making money, if you're interested in leveraging Instagram, there's never been a better time to do it. Use the tips I just gave you. If you have no idea what we're talking about, but you're very interested, go to mariawent.com/free training. I'll show you everything. Take a deep breath. I make videos twice a week on this stuff. So on selling low ticket products, on making passive income. So be sure to subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one.